Yes, Massive Crew back once again with another video, and today I've just been in the process of connecting up my old school Yamaha compressor, and I thought I'd show you a little thing on how it's all connected. Lots of people always ask me, oh, how do you connect up the old gear busy, you know, how's it all done? So today I'm going to show you right now how we connect an old school retro compressor. So first of all, things you're going to need, obviously you're going to need a mixer of some sort. Now this is the easy way. You can do this through your sound card, although it's a little bit more complicated. What I'd recommend for now is just doing it through your mixer. So here's what you do. On all mixers, as you can see here, you have got an insert here. You see this little insert? There's a little channel at the back here. It's not the same as putting in one of your jack plugs. My main jack plug for my Akai S3000 is going into here under output 6, for example. So if I put that to output 6, and which is output 1, which is on channel 6 at the moment, unfortunately, it basically comes out of channel 1. Now what I do is I plug this in here. Well, this is one of these sort of stereo looking jacks, and that stereo jack goes to let me show you another lead that I've got here for the other channel. So this is what you need for an insert. I've got these leads which are pretty cool from Vizio Sound, seem like pretty good quality leads. There's not paid advert for them, I just bought it from them and I like the leads. So yeah, so you've got your stereo part, which I just mentioned, and then you've got two jack connectors. The two jack connectors go into your compressor in and your compressor out, and then the other end of the compressor goes into the insert. And the idea is that when you plug in the channel, when you plug it in the insert, it will bypass what's going into the channel and feed it up through there into your compressor, and then back to the mixer again with a compressed sound. So it kind of bypasses the input that you feed in. So what I'll do is I'll connect my Akai S3000 with multiple outputs at the back, 1 to 8, and then I would be feeding, as you can see here, my number 1 starts at 6 because I've connected other things up here. I might have a shuffle around as it goes just to make life easier, but yeah, as you can see, it's connected here. So I'm going to just quickly demonstrate now. So I've got a little beat up here now. Press play, and you can see it's going through. Compressed. And I can adjust the compressor pretty much the same as you would with a software one. If I bypass it, so you can see here, off, on. If I take this off, it will just bypass. So there you have it, guys. That was a quick video on how to set up your compressor via an insert on your on your mixer. Another way to do it would be to feed it through your sound card through a couple of channels. So you would just go with a normal simple patch lead. You'd go maybe out from one of your channels, like a channel out into the on the compressor, and then back out into a channel in on your sound card. But I prefer the mixer way, much better way of doing it, and it's the retro way. Yeah, that's how we used to do it. So I'm literally in the process of, see, I made a bit of a mess here. I'm pulling out my compressor. I thought you guys would be interested in that. I hope you've you know, if you smash that like button if you want to see more retro connection videos, and how to connect up your old school retro gear, smash that like button. If I get to 100 likes on this video, I will do another one in this series. Take care, God bless, like, share, subscribe, peace.